Good morning. Today our lesson is about gradient of a straight line. So our objective will be work out the gradient of a graph from linear equation. What is a slope or gradient? Slope is how steep the line is. We have four different types of slopes for directions. We will start from left to right. The first photo, the line is increasing, so the slope is positive. The second one, the line is decreasing, going from left to right. So we can say that this slope is negative slope. The third one, the line is horizontal. That's why we say that we have zero slope. And the last one, because the line is vertical, we can say it's undefined slope. Slopes are also either big or steep slope or less slope as shown in the photos. How to find the value of the slope? We have three ways. First way is to find it directly from the given equation. So for example, if we have y equal to 3x plus 5, the slope is 3. Second way to find the slope is to calculate rise over run. Rise is the number of units between 2 points going up or down, while run is the number of units between these 2 points going side to side. The rise will be positive in case you are going from down to up, you are going upward, and the rise will be negative if you are going downward. The run will be positive if you are going forward from left to right, and it will be negative if you are going backward from right to left. Example: plot a graph to show the equation y equal to x plus 1. It's already drawn. What is the gradient of the line? Using the first way, we can find directly that the slope is 1. Now let us use the second way. Choose any 2 points on the line. We need to choose nice points, means it is very easy to find their coordinates. I choose the first point, which is 4, 5, and the second point, which has the coordinate 2, 3. So the rise from the first point to the second point, I should go up 2 units, so the rise is 2. And if I want to go from the first point to the second point, which will be the run, also it is 2. So the gradient will be rise over run equal 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. I choose also another 2 points down, which has negative coordinates. So the first point is negative 6, negative 5. The second point is negative 7, negative 6. And the rise from the first point to the second is 1, and the run is 1. So 1 over 1 is also 1. Another example, choose any 2 points. My first point here is 1, 0. Second point here is 2, negative 4. So the rise now will going downward from left to right. I'm going downward. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's negative 4, the rise. While the run, I will go from left to right, and it's toward the x-axis, the positive x-axis, so the run is 1. So the slope will be equal to negative 4 over 1, which is equal to negative 4. Now we will use the third way, which is using the formula. Given 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, the formula will be equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Example, if we have 2 points A equal 1, 1, B equal 3, 4, so the formula will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We will substitute now in the formula. Y2 is 4 minus 1 divided by x2, 3 minus 1. So the answer will be 3 over 2, which is 1.5. Looking here to prove it also, the rise here, we are going from first point to the second point. If we look, it's negative 3, and the run is negative 2. divide negative by negative will give you positive, and 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. Another example, calculate the slope. When they say calculate, so it means we use the formula. Choose 2 points from the line. I choose, this is the first point, this is the second point. The first point has 2, 4 coordinates, second point 4, 8 coordinates. Now we will use the formula slope equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 8 minus 4 over 4 minus 2. The answer will be 4 over 2, which is 2. So today our lesson was about how to work out or how to find the slope or the gradient of a graph from. First way, using the linear equation y equal to mx plus b. Slope will be m, which is the coefficient of x. Second way, using the graph, choose 2 nice points, means you can find their coordinates easily. Then find the rise between them, either up or down. Find the run between them, either left or right. And then divide rise by run. Third way, to use the formula slope equals m, which is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, while x1, y1 are the coordinates of the first point, x2, y2 are the coordinates of the second point.